What's going on, guys? This is David. Welcome back to the channel. Today, this is part three in our series as we build our long-term income-based portfolio. We're starting from scratch, so we're going to start from the bottom. We're going to work our way up to the top. Like I stated quite a bit before, it's not an overnight process. Um, it's going to take some time, but we're in it for the long haul, and it's definitely some investments, some moves, some money moves that is going to pay off down the road. So just stick with us. We're on part three. Remember to like, share, hit that notification bell to help us grow the channel. So we're starting out small, but it's gonna grow big time. So remember to check out those the previous two videos that I did. Uh, where I gave some recommendations, some stocks that I added to my portfolio, some REITs that you might want to check out and maybe add to your portfolio or do some research on your own to see what other REITs that you may like or other stocks that you may like. So definitely check out those first two videos. Uh, as always, remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So let's jump right into it. We're going to discuss two more stocks that I recently added to my portfolio. They're strong dividend paying stocks that I want to keep in my portfolio for a long time. My strategy is to buy, hold, uh, keep investing, keep building up those shares, participate in the DRIP program, that's dividend reinvestment program, and watch that snowball build up and start collecting those dividends, collecting that income, and watch it pay off for me in the long run. So the first stock you're probably very familiar with, Bank of America, symbol is BAC. Currently trading at $29.98. So once again, very reasonable stock, very strong stock, been around for years. Don't see it going anywhere anytime soon. Um, Bank of America is one of the strongest banks out there for years. So um, some of you probably use them for your own personal banking, but did you know that they pay dividends? That are you invested in the company? Like like you're using them? Are you using them for your benefit? So they pay a yield of 2.40%. So it's 2.40%, which is pretty strong. They pay on a quarterly basis. Um, so like I said, most dividend stocks do pay quarterly. You will find some dividend stocks that pay monthly. A lot of those are REITs. You may find some ETFs that pay monthly. And the key is to, if you get a mix of those monthly stocks, those monthly dividend paying stocks to go along with the quarterly dividend paying stocks, that starts to add up every month depending on how the schedule uh, of those payments are. So that's one of my goals. Get quite a few monthly paying stocks, mix those in with quite a few quarterly dividend paying stocks, and um, that's going to add up over time. I'm actually expecting a few payments tomorrow from some dividend stocks. So I'll give you a little tip at the end of the video that'll help you keep up um, with those payments. What you can expect. So, like I said, the first stock was Bank of America, BAC, trading at $29.98 at the time of this video. They're a quarterly paying dividend stock. Um, Current yield is 2.40%. So um, very strong stock, very strong dividend stock. I don't see it going anywhere anytime soon. So I definitely added that to my portfolio, and I'm going to continue to add to those shares in the future. So Bank of America is the first stock. The second stock is Walgreens. Once again, you are familiar with Walgreens. Most of you guys probably shop at Walgreens. They are a very strong company, very strong dividend paying company. Their symbol is WBA. They are currently trading at $39.34. Their yield currently is 4.74%, so very strong dividend paying stock. They're also paid quarterly. So that's 4.74%. They pay quarterly. They are also an aristocrat dividend. I don't know if you heard me talk about it in a previous video, but those, aristocrat dividend is a dividend paying stock that's increased their dividend consistently for the past 25 years. So very strong company that's been around for years. Don't see it going anywhere anytime soon. So I was excited to add that stock to my portfolio. So those are my two stocks for today: Bank of America and Walgreens. You might want to add those to your portfolio. I definitely added to mine. They're going to help increase my dividend income next year and going forward. I'm going to keep adding to that position when I get a chance. I'm going to watch those dividends come in. They're going to reinvest those dividends back into the stock to gain more shares. So each dividend payment is going to be higher and higher and higher. So that's the plan. And we're going to keep it going. Remember to do your own research. Do your own research. Don't just go about what I say or go about what any YouTuber say or anybody else say. Learn how to research stocks on your own. I don't go into too much detail about the financials and all that of each company. That's what you should do. I always recommend the Yahoo Finance app. Very strong app, provides a lot of detailed information. I look at it daily, actually. So, download that app to your device, your mobile device. Research these stocks and find out some information on your own. Once again, the platforms that I use: Fidelity, TD Ameritrade. Those are the two best platforms, in my opinion, for investing. Fidelity, TD Ameritrade. I actually use TD Ameritrade to trade options, which is, a little bit more advanced than just, regular investing. But go on there, open up you an investing account, a brokerage account. Takes 5 or 10 minutes. Fidelity, TD Ameritrade. They have so much information on their platforms as far as videos or recommendations. Very user friendly, especially for beginning traders. So definitely check that out when you get a chance. I've been using Fidelity for years now, probably somewhere between 5 or 10 years as far as my investing is concerned. So I have absolutely no issues with them when it comes to my regular portfolio. So do your own research. Platforms: Fidelity, TD Ameritrade. I want to talk about a little tip that I mentioned earlier. As far as I did mention that I expect 2 or 3 dividend payments on tomorrow. How do I know? There's this website called trackyourdividends.com. It's free to sign up, free to join. All you do is, create a login, and you can enter in your dividend stocks that you purchase, the price that you purchased at, how many shares, the symbol, and it automatically tracks your expected income, your expected annual income, as well as when you will receive those payments. It's already built into their system, so I already know when my dividend payments are going to come. I know how much to expect, so it's really no surprise. So I've had quite a few dividend payments this month. I want to have some more coming in January, and we're just going to keep building that up each month. We want to watch it grow, and grow. So that's the plan. Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, drop a comment, any recommendations. I would appreciate it. And that's all, guys. Talk to you guys later.